But you also have to know that these soldering iron, they also have different power rating. For example, we have that one of 30 watts, we have that one of 25 watts, we have of 40, we have of 50 watts, and we also have of 60 watts. But now the one of, for example, the one of 30 is the one which is mostly used on our TV boards and radio boards, because for it can't burn our component, or it can't blow off our component. What do I mean when I say that it can blow off our component? Because when you use the one of 60 watts, it will end up burning your component, or it will put in too much heat on our component. Then at the end of the day, the component will get spoiled. So you have to make sure that at least you use the one which has a good power rating. For example, the one of 30. The one of 30 is good for the TV boards and the phone boards and so on. So you have to use that one. That one is much more better.